On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know.
Oh, no. No, you didn't. What is going on, everybody? Holy smokes, Bitcoin, $72,000. I threw them in the garbage, no. Yeah? You're welcome. Somebody's got to take care of you. Holy smokes, what's going on? All these legends around town. How's it going, guys? Alex O Crypto in the house. Guys, this is a great day to be in the markets. Holy smokes, man. Holy smokes. What a wonderful day it is. What a wonderful day it is to be above ground, to be with you guys, to be hanging out in this wonderful, wonderful crypto universe. Guys, we early. Now, we've been watching across the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful crypto world of how much FOMO there is in this whole industry. Holy shite. My God. Now, everybody's saying Super Cycle, which is a bicycle I used to ride in high school. Everybody's saying, Kathy Wood's changing her predictions. Donald Trump's going to accept Bitcoin. Oh, man. Van Eck, 0 fees? 0 fees? Guys, this is crazy, man. This is gang. Man, this is crazy. Everybody get on your wooden shoes. Mark Dutch is in the house, man. Mark Dutch is in the house. We got a little bit of a feel. How do you feel? FOMO, anger, tilt. They call it tilt in trading, or greed, or no. You guys are all feeling no. Eh? He's got the predictions. He says up, and away. The price seems to be going up, and away. Hey, they're calling for you. They want to say hello. You got to come here and say hello. I can't do the show by myself every time because they miss you. You have friends now. Look at this. Look. See? You got to come down. Oh, here, I'll come up for you. Hey, there you are. Look. Up. See all of them. They're all here. They say, no. Never down? Up and away. I got a bit of tea. Because I talk too much, Looks terrible. I know, you need some milk, eh? Look, smell. Have a smell. No? They all love you. Look, they're like, no. Ciao. Go have lunch, eh? Manja. He's out, we were out working in the garden together. He wants to move these rocks. My God. Pizza mozzarella. Hey, ciao. Oh, man. Too good. I'm too blessed to be stressed, man. Oh, man. What a crazy day. So, guys, What are we looking at? Are we gonna? Am I gonna stay on this side right now? I got my Canadian jumpsuit on. Am I gonna stay on this side or should I go back to the other side? Is this the dark side or the bad side? What do you guys think? I think I can live over here too, or over here. How about I just talk to you from over here? This sounds good to me. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for coming through, smashing that like buttons. Can you smell? Ooh, for the 100K that's cooking. Can you smell it, suckers? Can you smell 100,000 coming? The daily VWAP is about to cross the zero line. Guys, can you dig it? Can you dig it? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got our Jasmine tea so we can keep yelling at you guys. We got a VWAP crossover coming from down under to the upside. Now we do have a target where we are looking for a little bit of a retracement before continuing upwards. Will we get it? Slightly doubtful with the way Bitcoin is trading right now. So you can see we've had a little bit of a dip of the toes just recently after trending upwards here. Now you can see that I do have my EMAs on, okay? So make sure when we are trending, I like the 21, the 55, and the 9. It's another tool we use here. And you can see that we were holding the 21 all day today and then dropping down just now back down to the 55. So pretty cool in my opinion. Pretty cool to see how this works. What's going on, guys? We got Jorn Besser in here, Darren Does Things, Alexandra G, Mark Dutch, Crypto Degen, Jow, Maybe a Band-Aid. What's going on, man? Hannah King. Good to see you, Hannah King. Much love to you. Haven't seen you in a while. Blockchain, bruh. Say no. We got everybody throwing the no chest. B Team Crypto, our newest and loveliest modder otter, TRD farmer, my Winnipegonian. I don't know. Winnipegian. We depegging from XRP. I heard XRP is moving up. We got the Sheriff Jonathan Schaefer, Merp90 in the chat. Crypto Pollo, Caffeinated Crypto, Andy Lee doing her gardening. Much love to you. God bless you guys all for coming through. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Trade Intuition, L Jones. What's going? Smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get into the charts. We're going to go through Bitcoin. We're going to go over to XRP, Avalanche. This has been wild, guys. Also, throw your alts in the chat down below. I would love to go through those for you guys. We're going to go through some fan favorites or some, XRP that we all thought was a stable coin, which has now managed to move sideways and up all of a sudden. So we're going to keep our eyes on the prize there as well. So we like saying we do our morning update videos for you guys. And this was the idea today, is that VWAP was coming up on the beautiful market cipher B here, coming up, posturing to the upside. We were looking for that crossover, and it looks to be threatening the zero line. Okay, you can see whenever you get a nice crossover here, we can see that posturing to the upside, and the money flow is thick. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day. Also aligned with our momentum wave curving back to the upside, waiting for the green dot to be printing. Much love, much love, much love. Thank you guys for throwing those alts down below. I appreciate it. Keeping me busy, man. Let me work for you guys. You guys got to keep me busy. So we're looking for that green dot to print on market cipher beyond the daily. Very beautiful candle. As you can see, this is a very beautiful daily candle pushing to the upside, looking for that continuation, okay? And I've also shared these key levels to the upside. We got 75,200, we got 76,891, and 79,810, man. We're talking about an 80,000 Bitcoin. That's pretty wild, right? That's pretty wild. So much love to every single one of you guys who are in profits. If you're not in profits, what are you doing, man? Come over to our free Discord. Link is in the description below, where we got all the good traders. And I see that Kyle has given us a possible BNB opportunity. Let's see how that works out. There's trade setups here. We also had some TA from me this morning looking for that Solana breakout and also that BTC retest with the levels given in advance so that you guys can trade alongside us. We also gave you the guys the BTC long. the other day, okay, around 68,000, okay, and that would have banged if you had taken that trade around 68,000, and that was down over here, okay. So we did give this one in advance. We were waiting for that swing failure pattern and continuation to the upside. We got it while we were sleeping. It pumped on us and it moved to the upside. Now, we were aware of this because we are aware that on the daily here, we know that Mondays typically are pretty bullish, okay. So we got the past couple Mondays here that we can see on the vertical lines that have indicated a massive move and then a flag out, a massive move, flag out, and another massive move, which also flagged out, okay. So all-time highs have been hit. We are now in price discovery and off to the races. Very, very beautiful moves here for Bitcoin and the altcoins. We can see that Ethereum is clear 4,000. AVAX is up to almost $50. XRP magically hitting 74 cents. This is looking great, okay? So beautiful, beautiful moves across the board. And it looks to me that Bitcoin has some more legs, okay? Bitcoin might want to go for a little bit of a jog, okay? And that's going to be astronomical for everything else, okay? And we can see that the Dixie is getting a little bit of a push up today and the ES a push down. However, Bitcoin doesn't really care. Now, we want to look for a rotation from Bitcoin into Ethereum, and you can see that Bitcoin has really led the way here, and we'll see if we can get a rotation back into Ethereum. Going back over to the Bitcoin price, now let's go into the 12-hour and have a little gander. But overall, the long-term time frames look pretty bullish to me. Yes, the 3-day is starting to curve over, but overall, these look pretty bullish to me. And it looks as though they're resetting with this very, very thick money flow. Okay, so very, very nice to see. And we're going to have to go over all these alts that you guys shared in the chat. Thank you guys so much for being here. And you guys are all feeling no. Thank you for participating in the poll and supporting this channel. You guys are absolute legends. Okay, so let's jump into it. We're on the 12-hour here, and we can see that we do have momentum to the upside with a confirmed green dot. Okay, so we were eyeing this up, and we said by the end of the weekend, 2 days from now, right? We said that, if you remember, 2 days from now, Bitcoin should be posturing to the upside, which we did get. Okay, money coming back in. Very nice looking for the market cipher B here. We can also see the green dot, which did confirm, right? And now we are looking for that continuation to the upside. Very, very nice move to the upside. Okay, looking good to the upside. So now we're getting a little bit of a cool off, but we did target this 72,000. Now, I have been calling 72,000 for quite some time, all the way back here, for the extension of the flag. Okay, this flagpole breaking out to the upside, right? Taking that measure move all the way back, you know, and hitting that beautiful target. Okay, so we did have that measure move. However, we do like to trade the ranges and give ourselves a little bit of an edge by trading support and resistance and getting in early. Okay, so you can see 12-hour looking good. We're getting a little bit of a toppy signal here after having such an aggressive move this morning. Okay, massive move down, swing failure, coming to the upside, pushing up. Okay, looking a little bit like it wants to cool off in the next couple hours. However, I wouldn't bet against it. Okay, I wouldn't bet against it, considering we've gotten to 72,000 and we seem to be holding, and the market sentiment is quite bullish. Okay, when we go over here, if you go into our Discord, you can type /FG and you can get the Fear and Greed Index, which was down to 70 once we got that dump. Now we are at Extreme Greed 82, looking quite bullish indeed. Okay, looking to continue to push up. We got to be prepared for anything. And you can see like a little bit of a megaphone pattern coming out here on both of these. So Control Shift, pull that flag over, Control Shift, and pull that flag over. Or is it Alt Shift? I shared this the other day. Control Shift. Oh, it's not working. Ah, there it is. Control Shift. Okay, Control Shift to duplicate your trend lines. Okay, you can see the megaphone continuing here to the upside, massive push, continuation along this pattern, right? So we want to see support being held and the continuation to the upside, okay? We got support down below us as well, but we are looking for the swing failure pattern. Don't get it twisted, okay? Nothing goes up forever. We did get a little bit of toppiness here that you can see that we are making higher highs along with lower lows. Okay, so this is a bearish divergence, very, very clear, but we do have green money flow. So anything on these shorter term time frames, which we are on the 30 right now, anything that swings below here, we're going to look for the posturing back to the upside. Okay, that's going to be our clear indication of an upwards move. Okay, so why this target, right? Why this target here? Well, we want to see a retest of the highs. Okay, if we look at this, we can see that we came up to this area twice. Okay, so this is a key area. Also, we know if we go to the 15-minute and we get a little bit closer, we like to pull the start of the move. Okay, so I'm not pulling my Fibonacci retracement tool from this tool here. I'm pulling it from this candles over here, right? So I'm going to pull it from low to high, and we can see that we do have a beautiful 0.5 golden pocket within the previous highs. Okay, I'm not going down to the 786 because I do believe this is very bullish territory, and if we do get a retracement back to retest the highs, that is to me bullish and a continuation to the upside where we can look to take advantage of price. Okay, so that's kind of my thought pattern right now. We did get a little bit of a sell-off here coming down. You know, a 1.5% move is not a lot when it comes to Bitcoin. So guys, give yourself a little bit more breathing room on your trade setups. Use a little bit less margin. You're going to get the move, okay? You're going to get the move. If you took a long this morning, you got to protect yourself a little bit more than usual because you can get these quick 1 to 2% moves that are beautiful in a bear market. You know, you love a little 1% move, but in this bullish environment where we have extreme volatility and we're getting price moves, you know, this whole range today was 1.5%, constant up and down. This is a range, okay? So for me, you got to be able to give yourself a little bit more breathing room to the downside in order to benefit from the upside as well, because they are typically going to push and then come back for the people who got in late and then continue upwards. It's very, very simple. So you can see they are coming back aggressively. They're not just going, oh, let's give them nice structure, right? Let's give them nice structure. This is like, I'll chop you up and then shoot the price up, right? What happened this weekend? We chopped you up and then we shot the price up. We chopped you all the way down, right? Swing failure pattern, came and grabbed liquidity from previous ranges over here, right? And then consolidated sideways before the aggressive move to the upside, right? So you got to give yourself enough playroom to benefit from the actual moves, okay? Very, very good. That's why we try and get into better trade setups and better entries to benefit ourselves so we don't have to risk as much on our stop losses, right? So we still want to have a positive, at least let's say 2 to 1, but we typically want to aim for a 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio where we are maximizing our profits and minimizing our losses and overall creating a good strategy to benefit us in the long term so that we can take a couple losses, but a win will overtake those 2 losses by 1, right? And by doing that, we can definitely make a lot more money. Let's get into the chat. Thank you guys so much for being here. So those are my targets for Bitcoin. We're looking for a return to about 70,000-ish area to 800. Okay, 70,000 to 70,800 is my box where I'm looking for a continuation long. But right now, I stress patience and I stress using good risk management. What's going on? The BINGX in the chat. Wick589, what's going on? Hannah King says, no 50x trades. Candle Daddy, what's going on? 200x only. Billy Goat Tails in the chat. My man, what's going on? Let's see some crypto Billy Goat Tails in the chat. Let's see some CBs in the chat. What's going on? We got Billy Goat Tails tomorrow night at Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Andy Lee, what's going on? Mark Dutch. I mean, you guys are so great, man. Lots of otters in the chat. What's going on, Melissa? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Skywalker says, what's up? Can I call you Luke? We just went there. What's going on? All you guys, man. All you guys. So if someone wants to tally up some of those, I'm going to do it myself. That's okay. We're going to look at N, Neutron, NTRN. Guys, throw some alts in there. I will add them. Rune. EGLD, EGLD, EGLD. Okay. What else do we got? We're gonna look at XRP. We're gonna look at AVAX. Okay, I'm gonna do AVAX, guys, throw your alts in the bottom. If I miss them, I'll try my best to get to them. It's hard to see, but wow, look at all the crypto billies in the chat. And Dave Digitals, Tony Sopranos. Oh, Madonna, what's going on? What indicator do you use? I use Market Cypher B, my friend. This channel is sponsored by CryptoFace himself. He had reached out to me and definitely I jumped on board. I've been using Market Cypher my whole trading career. So I use a bit of chart prime here and there and support and resistance and all that good stuff. But you know what? We definitely Market Cypher family. So let's go over to XRP, guys. XRP, man, keeping it simple. We had this downwards wedge that we traded sideways in forever. Okay, so we got XRP coming up. Beautiful move. Okay, we got the court case. We won. We dumped down. We chopped sideways. We pushed up. We created this triangle. We chopped sideways. We dumped down. We chopped sideways. Now we have broken out of that triangle. Okay, so we're looking for the continuation here for XRP. XRP isn't dead. Okay, it isn't dead. For all you XRP armies, guys, much love to you guys. But you know, definitely welcome to the Otter Gang, Caffeinated Crypto. Much love to you. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Crypto Pollo giving out memberships. Andy Lee, she's Otter Gang, but look at this amazing generosity from Crypto Pollo and Caffeinated Crypto joining the Otter Gang muscle. Much love to you. Thank you so much for gifting that membership, Crypto Pollo. I guess that Jasmine trade has paid out well, my man. Much love to you. Thank you, my favorite Bitcoin chicken. Cluck, cluck, motherfuckers. Much love. So XRP, big triangle, breakout. For me, it's this key level around 65 cents, okay? This is my line in the sand that I'm looking to hold, okay? XRP, maybe a real move, okay? But let's see what he does with its money, kind of deal. Like, what are you actually doing, right? So we go over to the weekly, and we can see XRP is breaking out of this bearish zone, okay? So this is my bearish zone. We want to see it hold above 65 cents and march upwards, okay? And you know, XRP, you know, it's gonna do its thing, right? It's got a big community, and I'm sure there's gonna be a big narrative after today being like, I told you so. And guess what? I'm like, hey, love you, Brad Garlinghouse. Thank you for doing what you did, fighting the SEC, man, throwing punches, spending money, man. We'll always owe XRP a little bit of love just for the amount of money that they spent in order to fight the SEC for bigger, massive crypto adoption. Okay, so I do not hold XRP, but I am grateful for XRP for what they've done. So thank you, XRP Army, for spending all that money. And it's very simple. It's looking to push up and continue its work upwards. We can look for a retracement. We can pull a fib from swing low to swing high, right? And we can target this area here of 65-ish cents. Okay, this is going to be my line in the sand for beautiful XRP. So keep it real. That XRP DPEG paid the chicken, man. Much love to you, Crypto Pollo. Always coming through the Discord. Sneaky little trade setups, man. I love it, bro. I love your participation, man. I'm grateful to you for being part of the Otter Gang. You're like an otter with feathers. We love you, bro. That's why we have the chicken pollo emoji in the chat. So let's see some chicken pollos. Much love to you, man. Thank you for your generosity. Going over to Avalanche. Now, this is kind of like repeat. I'm going to be repeating a lot of these things in the sense that we've had this downwards trend line. Some of these coins have broken out, and we're looking for a retest. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Is that like massive breakout for AVAX? Want to see the retest and continuation, right? Will it come back to this $44? I'm not 100%, but typically we do retest the highs. However, we have come up to a key level of resistance, and it appears as though AVAX is looking to flip it to support. So you can see beautiful, beautiful continuation here with the momentum waves, money coming back in. Okay, it did look bearish for a while where it fakes you out, money comes back in, and then it pops back up, and you can see the money flows coming back into Avalanche. Okay, and we did get that very aggressive V-shaped recovery and avalanche bounce back quite nicely. You can see the V-shaped recovery, the consolidation, and then the divergence up to the top side here. And I'm sure if we go into like a 1 hour, let's see what we got. Lower low. Do we got a higher high? No, we don't, but we do have the anchor trigger coming to the upside here. So avalanche, kind of a sneaky move, hard to catch. However, holding key level of support here, holding that level, putting in a lower low with continuation, right? And you get the double green dot, and that looks bullish as ever, right? So something else you might want to do when trading something like this, how to catch these moves as well, is tracking momentum. We talk about that all the time on this channel, where you're tracking momentum here. And you can see in an aggressive downtrend, pushing up and then retesting the downtrend and then flying off the handle, okay? Very, very nice move. Very good way of trading where you can get a confirmed breakout and look to target all the way back up to the highs. And in this case, it flew off the rocker, okay? So now we have gotten above this key level. Now that's at $47.15. That's going to be my next level of support. If we hold this, great. We continue to work our way upwards. If not, we look to roll over and come back down and retest the previous highs, which is around $45. Okay, so we'll be looking for that as well on AVAX. If only the memberships were a bit cheaper, Alex O. I guess we'll have to adjust those. I just threw them together, man. But we're definitely going to have to make maybe we'll make a cheaper category, or I got to look into it. I want everybody to obviously be a member of the crew here. I did tally all the altcoins, and then I think I pressed enter by accident. So I gotta scroll back up because I forgot to pin the altcoins, guys. I know I messed up, but that's okay. We can watch Bitcoin on the 15 or on the 3-minute chart for now, while I get all these back up. So Gala, Injective, EGLD, Rune as well, and Neutron, NTRN. Okay, see, it's hard. It's hard being a one-man show sometimes, trying to get up all your beautiful, beautiful altcoins that you guys want to see. But hey, I try my best, guys. I always try my best for you guys. You know it. So I'm gonna press enter, and then I'm gonna pin my chat. Now you guys don't what's going on, Trade Intuition, guys? If you're not following Trade Intuition, I don't know what you're doing, man. The guy's a legend. I gotta add Sheeb to that. Okay, we'll do Sheeb right now. We'll do Sheeb right now, and then we'll do the list, okay? Much love to you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. I do have a Sheeb chart here, so we'll go over to that. Sheeb had that astronomical move, okay? Look at this thing. Rocket Man. All right, Shiva's moving up. Norm Besser says, if you need help, just say a word. Much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys so much, man. I appreciate you guys. You guys are so helpful. I mean, you guys always comment and share the videos out and like the videos. It means so much to me, guys. We're growing slowly, but I mean, our community is unstoppable. That's for damn sure. Like, I mean, I've built a community on honesty and trust and freedom, and, you know, a free Discord. Everything's free here. And I'm a trader, you're a trader, traders helping traders. No bullshit here. I make my income off of trading. So that's what we want to create here, is an honest, transparent, strong community. And you guys are the big reason why I do this, right? If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here, right? I just go and trade and renovate my basement, okay? I enjoy being here with you guys. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Shiba, flagging out, man. It's very basic here, Shiba. You can see a beautiful, 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 beautiful flag, okay? That's all it is. Beautiful flag. I know Pollo loves a good flag. Shout out to Crypto Pollo. You can see you probably were anticipating it here. Let's draw it here. Getting some support as well. Okay, let's pull over our beautiful volume tool. let's identify some key levels here. So for me, looking at this, okay, we got a candle close right over here. So I'm going to mark out that with a little volume spike. Then I'm going to mark out this one as well. Let's see if we got a candle close up here. Nope, but we do have a wick here and a wick here. So I'm going to go more with the value area low actually on this one. And then you can see a big volume spike picks up right at these candle closes here and one here. Okay, so we've kind of isolated price now, so we can look to benefit from those levels, right? So looking at this, we got this kind of continuation pattern, anchor, trigger wave, money flow coming out of Shiba. However, you got a VWAP crossover incoming on the 4 hour. So how can we front run this? Well, let's go over to the 3 hour. What do we got here on the 3 hour? So we've popped off the zero line. We've crossed over money flows in the red. So this looks like it's bleeding a little bit. So for me, I advise caution here. So I would get rid of this trend line, right? And I'd be looking for a hold of this level here, right around 31.8, okay? Where we came down right now. Now, these are big moves, guys. These are no joke moves, okay? 20% from here to here. So it's a big range. So you can get into the nitty-gritty here, but you want to be able to give yourself enough room for these to work out. So now we pull swing low to swing high, swing low to swing high. You can see we're bouncing off that golden pocket area. So that's like how we target all the time. We're looking for that continuation, anchor, trigger wave here, hidden, bullish all the way up here. Right, so you can see the continuation here. Wanting to push through, I would really just watch this trend line, look for the breakout, retest, and continuation. Right now, very, very optimistic about Shiba, optimistic about meme coins. We can see that ADA had a massive move today. I also want to go over ADA, but I would be looking at these key levels right here to hold for Shiba Inu, and then the break of that downtrend. That would be very important for Shiba to continue upwards. And then you have some key resistance around 35, okay? 35.6, however many zeros, 4 zeros, okay? And that's what I'd be looking for Shiba. But it does look like you do have like the double green dot down here, right? Looking for that continuation to the upside, bouncing off the golden pocket. This could be a possible trade to be looking at closer, right? Where we look for that continuation. You want to see money coming back in. You haven't seen that crossover just yet. So very cautious here, but however, bullish environment looking good for Shiba. Okay, going over to SNEC. SNEC has had a massive move today alongside the ADA pump. I do hold SNEC. I was buying down here at 0012, right? Looking like a massive pump is incoming for SNEC. You know ADA is a sleeper, so whenever something else moves, look to ADA to trail, but to pump afterwards, right? And we go over and we look at ADA, and we can simply see that ADA has gotten that move finally, right? So nice move, continuing to push. ADA 77 cents. To me, if you're expecting a $5 to $7 ADA, that's still a 10x, guys. So that's looking pretty bullish in my opinion. And I do hold a big old bag of Cardanzo. So that is looking great overall. Now let's go over to the list now. And first and foremost, I see someone who asked for Near. So we're going to go to Near. I also see Adam and what was the other one I saw? And Rune. Okay, so I'll add Adam. If I can get to them, I'll do Adam and Rune. But let's go over to Near and take a look. So Near is flying, right? Near is flying. Beautiful narrative on Near, up 13.5% today, looking to continue to push, right? We had our buy level here on Near, and I believe it was your investor. I'm not going to try to spread FUD, but you guys, Kyle's killing it now in the trade, but I believe it was in our alt TA, your investor here. Look at this guy, man. He's just crushing this with the key levels here on we gave the Caspa setup. What was this? This was Rune. Okay, you're taking the Rune trade. I mean, so many good trades in here. Your investor blessing this FLR. You're just blessing us so much with the levels and the charting, man. I appreciate you. Near's looking to continue its work to the upside. Okay, so let's go into Near on a shorter term time frame, because we can see this is absolutely beautiful on on near. And now what I've noticed about near and why I have this key level here is this is where we're going to get a golden pocket. Okay. I was doing some TA on this earlier, and we can see that this previous one was a perfect golden pocket retracement. Okay. Respecting the TA to a T. So we want to expect similar things, right? So we'll pull from swing low to swing high, and we will expect similar things, right? So we go swing low to swing high, and look at that. So $6.20 is where we will be targeting a possible retracement for near. However, we want to mark out our top of our previous high here and add a little bit of confluence that if we do manage to get down to $6.20, we can be targeting the 0.5 around $6.50. Okay, so $6.50 and $6.20 are going to be my key areas where I'm looking for near to bounce from. Okay, you can see a little bit of a toppy signal here rolling over. However, that just to me screams continuation, massive adoption and massive pumping to the upside. So you can see here, we just want to see that continuation to the upside. Okay, and as long as we hold and we do not take out the low, I didn't mean to grab that. The low down here around $5.60, we continue to push upwards, right? We haven't broken the structure to the downside, so we want to see this beautiful continuation to the upside. I don't know why my trading view is lagging. It's probably because we are giving too much alpha, and you guys need to smash those like buttons because we're only at 35 out of 50 people watching the video. But the alpha is here. So let's get those likes up, and let's get into another altcoin. Injective, baby. Let's go. Injective. We've been buying up Injective like it's going out of style. We were targeting this $38. We came down last night. I did not buy anymore. Okay. I bought at 35. Okay. And now we're giggling to the bank. Okay. I believe it was $7,500 worth of Injective. Now we're up 25%. With Injective, you're waiting to crack the $45. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. Until then, we can see a little bit of a downtrend right here. And guess what? I would love some lower prices on Injective. So if we do fall down from here, that's okay. If we break $45, I might have to FOMO in a little bit. So we'll have to wait and see. But we did have that key buy zone that we did come down to last night, and now we have pumped nonetheless. So we seem to be making this beautiful structure to the upside. You can track the momentum here all the way up. However, you want to see a topping signal. If not, we look for the continuation to really challenge this $45 level. And you can see that you do have key resistance here throughout. But overall, if you're going to zoom out and check out what Injective is doing, it is doing a beautiful flag, right? It is simply pushing, flagging, right? And looking to continue upwards. You can even see a little bit of a cup and handle here, wanting to break out. And that, to me, my friends, would be quite a big measure move, which is you measure the middle of the handle and you put this up here, and you could be looking at a $60 Injective in no time. So Injective, I'm very bullish. It's a very simple play on gaming. Okay, so I'm definitely watching Injective and being patient to see if I can get prices. You know what? Right now, I think sub $40 on Injective is a very good price nonetheless if we are going to see a GameFi run in the near future. Okay, so looking good for Injective. Jorn Besser, my man, $10, 10 euros, man. That's like $100 Canadian, man. Thank you, Alex. You have a wonderful mind, and we love you for it. Please stay. We are you. Love you for it. Please stay. We are you. God bless you, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Besser, man. Always coming through, helping us with all the work. My God, this guy's even got an otter as his picture, man. Jorn Besser, God bless you, man. Thank you so much. We continue to show up for you guys, and we will continue to try our best, man. That's all we can promise, man. We will be honest and try our best. And what food? Otters back after doing the dishes. What's going on, DDT, man? Oh, we will stay as we are, man. Always just trying to be happy and spread positivity. King D asks, but when do I sell all my crypto? My target is January 2025 all the way to October, and depending on what we're selling is when we're gonna sell it, right? So my plan is to hold till at least January, or if Bitcoin gets to a certain price, let's say above $212,000. That's my price prediction for Bitcoin. But we do have an exit strategy like everybody should have, okay? But look at us now. If we go on the weekly and we zoom out, we are flying off the handles, okay? We got the halving coming up. We got ETH ETFs. We got the US election. And then for timing-wise, for timing and prices, I have over here, I have key levels, which I had here. Take profit levels is right in between here. So wherever we go over the next areas, we're going to go between January and November, depending on the cycle and depending on the tops. My conservative price target is this $105,000, and then my high price target is $212,000. And I do have a video on that somewhere on my channel, but that's the target. So let's go over and check out. Is it N? What was that one that you shared? Besser, it was, oh my God, I can't even spell it. Neutron, NTRN. NTRN. Let's go over to Neutron. Thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate you, brother. This is probably NTRN. It's probably better on a different exchange. Let's see if we got a KuCoin. Yeah, KuCoin. Oh, okay, still fairly new. So let's go over to Neutron. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. Gifted a membership. Welcome to the membership. Trade Intuition, my man. Will you sell everything or keep some Bitcoin? I will keep always one Bitcoin for my little one. I plan to always have at least one Bitcoin. I have around 4 plus. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much I have, but I have Bitcoin, okay? And we were buying it around 22,000, 20,000. So we're doing all right. The bags are pumping, but we got a family to pay for and a community to feed. So let's continue with the alpha here. You can see you got a beautiful trend line here. We're looking for the continuation to the upside, looking like a little bit of a breakout here. If we are going to track momentum, it would have been this here, and we would have looked for the retest. However, let's pull volume across and take a look at some key levels and get those for you as well. Okay, so you got a block here and a big block down here. So this is if you lose this support area here, and then you have a little bit of resistance as well here, and then you're looking to be around here. So let's go into the nitty gritty. Let's identify a naked point of control. And that's not a naked control. That's just a naked point of control. So we're probably coming up to that now. No, we're above it. Okay, beautiful. Value area high here. And then we have some candle closes actually over here. So we're going to mark out those there. Okay. Neutron looking good here. Let's see what's going on in the short term. So going over to the 4 hour, we can see we had that trend line drawn out. Very nice move. Looks to have recovered from this area as well. For me, I'm going to keep one of these and get rid of another. So that's that. And now we want to see price work its way back up to this beautiful double top. So this double top looks to have reversed. Let's slide this up. This is now an NPOC. NPOC in the place to be, the Otter Gang. And then you got some resistance above you. So for me right now, okay, getting above here, this is also going to act as support. So we have a key level of support that we will look to retest. So 4 hour looks a little bit overextended. However, you have seen the move up here, and you can see the beautiful bullish divergence with lower lows and higher highs here. So this is a beautiful bull div where you're getting an anchor and 2 trigger waves. Okay, trigger. Looking to move up, money flow crossing that 0 line. Beautiful move. And you can just look at the beautiful vertical here where the money flow crosses over, and that continuation to the upside. Follow the money, make the money, right? Now we are looking to take out these highs. So you got a high here, you're looking to get above and then continue your work upwards. So for me, very, very patient right now, but understanding where your key levels of support and resistance are, where you're looking for a retracement, and how you're looking to trade this is you're looking for a continuation pattern, which just suggests that you are bouncing off a high part of the Fibonacci retracement, which is typically a 382. So if you pull swing low to swing high, you can see you are getting a little bit of a 382 bounce here and a continuation upwards. What I would look for is I would mark out the highs here, right? I'd mark out the highs here and I'd wait until this gets to a certain level. So I go to 30-minute here and I would wait until this is done running. Okay, and depending what happens and where it tops, okay, we got resistance here, but wherever it tops, then I'm pulling a swing low right here to a swing high to wherever it gets to, right? And then I'm looking for that golden pocket retracement, which typically lines up with the previous highs, and then you're looking for that continuation pattern to the upside, knowing that you got big support down below here at $1.53. That allows you to put your stop loss just below there to protect yourself to the upside and target the previous highs, giving yourself a good ratio to watch this pump continue to the upside. Looking real good for a continuation here. Oh, my best friend's calling. 1 second. Hey, bro. You're at Home Depot. I'm on my live stream answering the phone. No worries, man. Are you gonna grab some screws? Yeah, sure, that's fine. Yeah, I'll return the other ones, or we'll just use them for whatever, gardening. All right. Is that all you're calling? Everything else is okay? Well, they can't hear you. Don't worry, you're safe. I'll call you back after the show. All right, later. Oh man, so we got to pick up drywall screws for the drywall, and he's helping me with the renovation. My best friend, carpenter as well. So he's at Home Depot, and he's like, hey man, do we need more screws? Some 5/8" drywall screws, you know? Yeah, he's a good friend, man. He's a good friend. Always have a good friend. Keep your friends close. We got a lot of work ahead of us. I'm making the vlog as we speak. Let's vlog the chat here, guys. Here, I'm just gonna zoom in on the chat on my other screen here, and then your name can be in the next one. So this is the vlog. What up, everybody? We're live. We're making money. This is how we roll. Okay. Now we're looking at the screen here, zooming into all of our friends here. We got beautiful. Did I miss Adam review? Not yet, Marv. We got Wick in here. We got Jorn Besser. We got Mark Dutch. We got all the people throwing comments in the chat. Darren does things. Trade Intuition. Yeah, they're getting on the vlog. They know what's good. We're making money on the beautiful Bitcoin price. They're throwing all the no emojis going to the moon. Alexandra G. All these people, man. God bless you guys all. Thank you guys for your support. We be filming you guys. I'm going to put this on the stand. My grandfather was asking what this fuzzy thing was, and I was like, it's called a dead cat. It cancels the wind. You know, when you fart? So I'm going to just put it on record as you guys fill up that chat. Then we can put that on the vlog. Much love to every single one of you guys. So that's what I'm looking for, Neutron, for the continuation and to the upside. Adam, let's go to Adam, because I think you do deserve a little bit of Adam TA. We don't mind going late today. We can do Gala EGLD as well as Runes. So let's go over to Adam, the Adam and Eve pattern, going to the upside. All right, Adam, parabolic uptrend, looking good here, looking good here. Let's see what it's hitting. Do we got some previous data that we can go off of on Adam? Okay, zoom in way out, guys. This is juicy. This is the goods, man. This is the goods. So we mark out some tops here. However, Adam has not much in front of it, guys. Not much in front of it, considering where it wants to get to. So $20 Adam is not out of reach, guys. It's actually really close, just like my finger to the camera, okay? And it looks like it wants to continue. He probably thought I was something else you didn't know. Women didn't shave back in the 80s. Well, Mark Dutch is just being Mark Dutch. We love you, bro. We love you, bro. So Adam, continuation, looking like a breakout on this downwards flag here, looking like it had a little bit of a retest. Let's go to the 2 hour. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is, if you drew this sharp, actually, that would be a perfect retest continuation, looking to break out. You know where your key level is and the key level that you must take out on Adam. So for me, you can see here on the 2 hour, we're looking for a continuation to the upside. You got an anchor, so I would wait literally for a little bit of a cool down and a continuation upwards. Your next level of resistance is at 13,890, okay? And then that big one is around 1460. Those are going to be your key levels of resistance. However, you can track the momentum here as we continue upwards. Okay, I'm turning off my camera. All you guys have been filling up my chat. Walsh, Jesse, what's going on, my man? If you're from Wales, how do you say that one town, Liffin Wagon in a little while with a go, 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 ch? Have you guys ever heard of that Welsh town with the really long name? I don't know if you have. Welsh town with long name. Guys, this is, if you've ever been to this town, okay, in Wales.
Bitcoin has finally broken its all-time high. Altcoins are going bananas.
Someone's talking. Look at this thing. Guys, how do you say this? Leon Bergen Polguin Gil Goger Ung Queer Dob Ul Landis Ilio Go Go Gocha. I told you there was a Go Go Gocha in it. Look at this. This is crazy, man. Welcome to Wales. You guys are amazing. We actually have relatives who live in Wales. So shout out to the Welsh people in the chat, man. Much love to you guys. But this name is absolutely insane. Try to say it. Try to say that's a town, man. And he has no idea how to say it. So there you go. Pretty wild, pretty wild. So Adam looking like it wants to break out, right? $20 does not seem out of the question. And guys, that's a big move. That's a beautiful 45% move on Adam. And Adam can rip, man. We just realized how much Adam can rip just by noticing this past move, okay? We are cooling down a little bit, so we could just be flagging right now, which is okay. If we flag something like this, that's okay. We look for this trend line to hold and to push to the upside. Okay, so that town name has to be a troll. Oh man, we gotta Google it then. Welsh town name. All right, guys, we're pulling it up.
Today
for
we
you
had
guys.
a big contrast in temperature across the UK, just 12 degrees.
All right, we're doing it. We're doing it for you guys. This guy's gonna say it, man. Turn up the volume for you guys. Maximum volume. Are you guys ready? This guy's gonna slay the name, guys. This is crazy. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this, but this is a magical spell, guys. Are you ready?
Degrees over a big contrast in temperature across the UK, just 12 degrees over coastal parts of eastern England with cloudy skies, but in the sunshine in northwest Wales at RAF Mona, just up the road from Llanfair Pwllgwyn, Gellgogera Quindrobol, Llantysilio Gogogoch, the temperature got to 21 Celsius, that's 70 in Fahrenheit. At RAF Mona, just up the road from Llanfair Pwllgwyn, Gellgogera Quindrobol, Llantysilio Gogogoch, Just up the road from Llanfair Pwllgwyn, Gallech and Drobble, Llantysilio Gogogoch, the temperature got to 21 Celsius at 70 in Fahrenheit.
Guys, let's go. Lifting wagon, go trip. Oh, that's incredible. So we're looking for a breakout on Adam. Let's see if we can get there. Looking good for you, my friend. Let's see if we get that continuation. Money flows in the green, man. There's no reason why this can't continue to slay to the upside. Okay, looking really good here on Adam. Little bit of a rotation I'm seeing on Bitcoin cooling off recently. I mean cooling off like going down, you know, $500. And then you see the rotation into these beautiful altcoins, total 3 ripping, right? That's super. It's like someone fell asleep on the keyboard. Oh man, isn't it a crazy town name? Okay. Hey, it wasn't me, man. I'm just a messenger, man. I'm just a messenger. Pretty wild. Let's go over to England. Oh man. EGLD. EGLD. And wow. Okay, let's see this. Looking on the daily here. Double topish, looking like it wants to continue up, continuing to push here. You got some key levels of resistance above you and some volume. Okay, so to me, this is looking very nice. Okay, like we said with a lot of these, they haven't got their full move yet, right? The full move hasn't really transpired. So for me, there's a lot of upside to all these alts that have yet to find a move, right? So you can see this is kind of, we expect to be trading up in this area before we had that. I think this is Terra Luna collapse. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that was that dump there around, you know, April of 2022, right? I believe that's what it is, right? So going back to where we are now, you know, in this kind of bearish suppression zone that we were in for so long, where we fell in, we want to see the breakout up to these levels, which is about a 50% move. And the rotation says that Ethereum gets its move up, which it has, into these alts, right? So we're anticipating alts to rip, right? So for now, you know, we do have these resistances above us, and we can pull our beautiful volume tool across where we can find some key levels of support. But we really want to look to swing long if we do get these rips up into these massive levels above us, right? So this is going to be paramount for a continuation to the upside. Now, for now, we look for these to act as resistance, but for EGLD, we definitely know that 78 is going to be that entry to higher prices. We want to see the 66 hold, and this for this uptrend to continue, right? A lot of scam wicks, right? But for me, this is looking good nonetheless, right? Where you can see we're holding support here. We want to continue to make higher lows and higher highs, and we want to take out this previous high, right? So right now we can look for that retest and continuation on EGLD, where we can look for much higher prices. Okay, so this is looking good. Breaking structure here. Now the next one is $72.50. However, we are looking for this to retrace and continue, right? So you can pull the fib from swing low to swing high and look for that retrace where you can look for a possible long, right? We're favoring, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful bull market. Don't get it twisted. We are pumping, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Now let's go over to Gala. Gala had a massive move. Now it is 5 o'clock, but I said I'd go late because it is Monday, and I don't mind going late for you guys today. You guys can continue to push me. That's okay. Gala's had a nice move up. I resent Gala. Gala was my nemesis. It wrecked me in the bear market over here. I was trying to short Gala while Gala, you know, just continued to pump. Gala coming up to key level of resistance. Very nice move. We have some above us as well. So for Gala, same kind of thing. Hasn't gotten up to these previous highs here. We look for that continuation to the upside for Gala with a little bit of a cool off. Let's go over the 2 hour. Let's pull our fib from swing low to swing high, from the start of the move to the top of the move. and where we line up here. So this would be my idea for where I'm looking for a possible retest on Gala to the upside. Okay, and that would be my level for Gala. For us to dwindle down, flag out on Gala all the way down, look for that possible support to hold and a bullish divergence to the upside. Okay, looking good here for our beautiful, beautiful move on Gala that has transpired. Anything that has had a massive pump, we look for consolidation, a reset of oscillators, and that continuation to the upside. Okay, going over to Rune. I believe Rune was also asked. So we'll go over to Rune. We can see Rune has had that beautiful, beautiful breakout, eyeing up some higher prices on Rune here. So let's go over and check out the top over here of where we can find some similarities. Okay, so I want to actually go over to the 12-hour. Then I'm going to go back in time. Every new beginning. Okay, we're going back over to here. And I'm going to try and isolate the top here. So I'll pull volume here and see what we got. We got a couple of volume spikes here that I want to mark out as well, just to make sure that I'm building confluence within my trading plan, right? We want to have a plan. We want to execute that plan. Having a plan is going to allow us to really have a good strategy going forward. Matching up with support and resistance and candle closes, okay? That's how we really want to look at this. Now let's go into our 4-hour where we can get a little bit of a diagnosis on Rune to the upside, okay? Looking good. I saw AGIX. It's the last one I'm doing after Rune. I'm going to do AGIX for you, and then we're going to call it a night and go and enjoy some, I believe I'm having some tacos for dinner. Mrs. Otter's got the tacos ready and waiting. So, guys, you guys got to understand, tacos over crypto sometimes, man. Everybody loves some good tacos. And Mark, do not be rude, but we do see this continuation here. Every red dot is followed by a green dot, and that green dot has printed very, very nice pushes. Okay, you can see both of those. So going over to the 1 hour, we can see that we are continuing to make higher lows and higher highs. So we are going to anticipate another high here. And how can we anticipate this high? And where do we think it's going to stop? So I would go over to the 30-minute, and I would pull swing low to swing high, or swing high to swing low. Okay, I'm going to go to the 618. And I'm going to mark out that. This is going to be my area for either a take profit or a rejection. Okay, 9.75 is where that 618 comes in, where I'm looking for a possible rejection and then a retracement back to the trend line. Okay, until this is proven otherwise and it breaks, we continue to watch this trend line to the upside. 975 is where I would either look to front run, take some profits, or look for this to cool down. Looks like it's going to take this high here and continue its march to the upside. So it's looking very, very bullish for Rune, and it's nice to see money flow coming back in down here. So it's a very nice move for Rune. Look for that continuation. Overall, looking bullish, money coming back in. You can see the crossover and this gigantic move that has happened for Rune. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now let's go over to AGIX. Last but not least, AGIX. We saw Render getting a massive move. I am a big holder of Render. Render seems to be flying off the handle. AGIX is no different. It's very much a retail-driven chatbot / AI thing. And that's FET. Sorry, AGIX is just another AI token. AI Alexo Crypto. Maybe we'll change our name so we get a massive pump on viewership and likes and subscriptions, but nonetheless, this is still looking good. It's coming down. We had a key level marked out here as support. Let's pull volume over and let's see. Yeah, it's very thick. So for me, it's hard to kind of pinpoint this. I'm going to go and drag this down just a little bit here where we can see we're getting support, and we have a massive support there and then a massive level of resistance here matched up with candle body. So for AGIX, we've isolated it here. If we do roll over against this support here, look for us to come back down. But right now, it looks like it's holding. Okay, it looks like it's holding. It looks like it wants to continue. You got a trigger or an anchor and a trigger wave. looking to push up. However, money flow is in the red on these short-term time frames. So for me, a nice correction is good, right? Look for that continuation. We can pull also a fib from swing low to swing high, and that would probably give us, okay, let's see if we got that level here. So yeah, we'd have to pull from probably this one here, and that's not going to give us too much information. Yeah, so just look for this area right down here to hold as support. Otherwise, you're going to be falling back down within this range down below here, and that level is at $1.15. And then $1.21, you want to hold that as support and break on through to the other side. Okay, so this is looking good. Much love, In and Out Crypto in the chat. Hola, Rocco. Much love to Crypto Wars, the trading goat. What's going on, my man? Hopefully that's Keeper or Crusader. Much love to you guys. Thanks for dropping by, man. Much love to all you guys coming through, supporting this channel. Mad love, man. We stayed late just to make sure that we got through all of those tokens. My God. We just keep going, man. We just keep going. We like the Energizer Bunny, man. 4 videos today coming at you guys. Firing off, man. Trying to make that money. We've been making a lot of good calls, a lot of great people in our Discord. We all making that money. Guys, if you're new here, thank you. Welcome to the Otter Gang. We always having fun. A whole bunch of content creators coming through supporting the channel. God bless you guys. I know how hard it is to put in that work on a daily basis as a YouTube /trader /dad /son spouse, whatever it is. It's not easy. We're here. We hopefully make it easier for you guys to come in, set your alarms, have a plan, execute the plan, and make some bank, right? We will definitely continue to show up for you guys, and thank you so much for your support. Wick589 with the $5 super chat for all of your crypto babies. Which of the tokens you covered would you DCA into until 2025? The easy answer is Bitcoin. The second easiest answer is there is no second answer. Nah, I'm joking. I mean, I love Cardano, man. I think that's like the one that hits home for me. You know, that's the one, the Freedom Coin, man, the Freedom Coin. However, I do hold a big bag of Render and Chainlink as well. I mean, here's my Invest Crypto right here. I mean, it's not very secretive of what I hold. It's right here every single day, and I can post it right here. And the weightings are pretty heavy into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Link, but this is the portfolio, guys. So you can screenshot this, share it with a friend, whatever you want to do. We got quite a bit. We're doing really well. We got a great community. We are transparent. I let you know when I'm buying, when I'm selling, what I'm doing. I mean, it's all free, guys. I love you guys. God bless you guys. Let's hit it. Gang, gang, gang. Happy Monday, guys, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on it come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, Crip